Ailsa? What's happened? It's all right, love. It's only me. What's happened? Ailsa?
Oh, hello, Pip.
Ailsa, are you okay?
I can't find it anywhere. I've looked all through the kitchen drawers. You didn't throw it out, did you?
No, love.
Well, maybe it's in the bedroom.
She's been looking for a mother's apple cake recipe all morning. Hasn't talked about anything else.
Really?
No, I reckon she's still in shock.
I can't find it anyway.
What? Not still the recipe?
Oh, that's right. You never did like it, did you? Have you thrown that out, have you?
Come on, Ailsa, just
Hey,
sit
you,
down.
have you seen the state of your room? It's like a pigsty. When was the last time you cleaned it?
I don't know.
No, you're just hanging around waiting for me to do it for you, aren't you?
No? Mate, just clean your room, huh?
I'm sorry, Pip. There's just so much to do.
Oh, of course.
Try. She's all over the place today.
Alf, do you think she ought to see somebody?
Eh?
Well, after what happened last night, I mean, who knows how that sort of thing can affect someone?
Certainly done something. You're going to wear the varnish off that if you're not careful, though.
Oh, so much to do.
Sit down for a tick, eh? Ailsa, I'm worried about you. Pip and I think this business last night has knocked you for six. But there are people out there that can help you, you know.
Do you love me?
Of course I do.
Maybe I should go away.
You mean for a holiday?
I'd like to go somewhere quiet, somewhere I could be alone. I can't remember the last time I was alone. Maybe it's time I moved out of Summer Bay.
Frightened to say the wrong thing in case it sets her off.
Well, perhaps that's what needs to happen. Well, better if it's done by a professional, I guess.
No, I've got to admit, Pip, I'm really out of my depth on this one. It frightens me. I just don't understand enough about it.
Well, has there been any passion?
Well, not really. I was just hoping she'd snap out of it. I mean, do people snap out of these sort of things? Does that happen?
Well, usually something happens when it's brought to a head somehow. At least that's what I remember from one term of psych nursing 15 years ago. But apparently, in the middle of a nervous breakdown, the person's still aware of what's happening.
Well, if that's the case, why won't you see somebody to get help?
Well, it's a bit of a hard step to take, admitting there's something wrong with your head. Alf, it will happen sometime.
Do you mind if I show you something?
Sure. Amphetamines? Where did she get these?
I don't know. I found them on the sink. But I've got a feeling they might have been in the back of the bathroom cupboard for years. They might be the ones she got after Duncan was born. She went through a bit of a down period then, and I know she got some sort of pick-me-ups. That might be them. They're not dangerous, are they?
Well, almost everything's dangerous if you take enough of it. But luckily, these are 5 years old. I mean, you'd have to get the real story from the doctor, but put it this way, I'm very glad she doesn't have any more of these.
No, he doesn't. You're wrong. No, he's pretending. He's just pretending that That's why I have to be careful. It's why I have to keep the doors locked. Alf's going to bring that man back.
No, he isn't.
Well, then why isn't he here? Why hasn't he caught the man? Why does everything like this happen and Alf's never here?
Do you know how much he loves you?
No, he doesn't love me. He's sick of me. He doesn't want me around anymore.
No!
Bobby, no. Oh, God, no, please stop it.
We're just trying to get a
Yeah,
hug.
shh, don't, shh.
Huh?
Where have you been? Did you see her?
Who? What's been going on?
Mummy's been talking to someone.
Would you get him a drink, please? He wants a drink, Alf. Get him a drink, please.
Yeah, sure. Come on, mate. Jeez, he looks great in there, Arse. You ought to see him. He's got 3 dinosaurs and a Power Rangers suit for a pillow. He said you were pretty noisy tonight. Arse?
What?
Who was here?
No one else. It was just a... Oh, God!